1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello guys, today we're opening the Play-Doh Digging Rigs Buzzsaw. I got this in Argos. It only costs £10, but you can get it anywhere you want. It's a pretty big box and it's pretty simple. It has some description on the back. So let's open it. As you can see, it's a pretty simple toy, but it's really complex to get out. Well, Play-Doh in the back fell over because of it. Finally, that's something. Oh, still all this stuff to get out. Oops. Finally, that's the second piece out of the truck. And the rest of the Play-Doh. Finally, let's get this box out of the way. Now, as you can see, it says, it says 3+ on the box. That means this toy is for 3 years and over. But I'm not really sure how a 3-year-old could open a box like this. Yeah. Okay, finally. Now, what a mess. Now we can see what comes in the box. First, you get 4 tins of Play-Doh. They're much larger than normal size, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a normal size one, and then this is a large one. Twice as big. And, it's the inside. Half the jar of Play-Doh, and this is the saw, which comes with the buzzsaw truck. That's how it looks like. I'm guessing you just plug it into here. It's not as easy as it seems. There we go. And you have your buzzsaw truck here. Really loud, but it's done. Alright, that was really easy to make. I can't believe I made that. And where's the last piece? Oh, here it is. I'm not sure how you do it. Do you stick it in like this, or do you break it? How do you put it in? Wait, what does this do? Nothing. How do you put it in? It's impossible. I might not even, you don't even think, I don't think you have to put it in. I'm not sure. What is this? You put it in this way? Ah, there we go. I was putting in the wrong way. Okay, so this is the truck. And here are the 4 tins of Play-Doh that come with it. You get blue, orange, green, and brown. 4 simple colors and 1 blue truck. It's pretty basic, you know, nothing special. This is where you can get random pieces like metal. So let's just get some green. Yeah, green. And try and open the tin cap. There, it's all bent. Get this Play-Doh, get a bit off, and just shove it in there. There, like that. So it's stuck in. And you press on this, and it should come out. See? And something went wrong. Here's the Play-Doh. Yeah, you put it in here, not in the orange section. And you press, and yay! A metal beam. It's pretty simple. Lots of Play-Doh left over. Lots. Probably make another beam with all this Play-Doh that's just stuck everywhere. Next, there's lots of these molds everywhere, like the hammer. So you could probably make a hammer. Let's use the green. I don't know if you noticed, but my favorite color is green. Leave in the comments what your favorite color is. I'd really like to know. So we peel this off, and you get a little hammer. There you go. Like this. It's pretty basic, but yeah, there you go. Nice and simple. Yeah, there's one pole, and there's one hammer. So you can use the saw to cut the Play-Doh, like so. If I can position it properly. And it cuts in half, like this. So what you can do then is just make a giant pipe. Like, get a bunch of Play-Doh, this much, and you put it in here. Wait, put it in here, like this, and then you push on it, and you should get. Let's try a different one. Let's use the plus. You push down and you get a huge pipe like this. Looks like a weird spaghetti noodle. Keep pushing, and you get this really long one. There. There. Go. Then you can put it up here, and you made a section. Using all these pieces, you could probably make a giant house or something. A building. It's pretty basic, it's nothing special. Just a bunch of Play-Doh everywhere. So let's make a longer pipe. Oops, it must have broke or something. You push and you get a giant pipe like this. And then once you have a bunch of these giant pipes, you could make a foundation of a house. There's lots of Play-Doh left everywhere. Well, everywhere. There's more molds like the saw, the chainsaw, hammer. Oh, and you can decorate the truck as well, just like so. Yay. Oh, yeah. Get the Play-Doh logo, cut it out and stick it back on. And there you have the front of a truck. Let's get some orange and let's make the lights. Whoops. Okay, well, it doesn't work properly, but you could probably make something with these molds at the front. Decorate the car a bit. But you can make chainsaws and other instruments. You can make a hook, and is that a flower? I'm not sure. There's Play-Doh everywhere. Just everywhere, random Play-Doh. But once you have a bunch of pipes, like these, you could... There's also... Let's see if I can find it. Here's. There's also another one of these saws. A yellow one. To make a different pattern, maybe. So if I take out the blue one, okay, like that, I can then insert the yellow one, like this. And once I inserted the yellow one, let's see if I can make more logs with these random Play-Dohs back here. Let's use black. You get the black, and you... lots of green Play-Doh left over. You get the black, and you put it in here, and you push, and it should make another log like this. There's lots of different colors, which I have, but this set only comes with 4 boring colors. And then you take it out, and there you go, another log. All these logs, what you can do then is get the chainsaw, get the saw, and you just drive over it. And it ends up molding together. Well, you get a bunch of more logs, which you can then put it on the back, like this. Like that, and yeah, that's basically the set. There's a bunch, there's more logs, different types of logs which you can use, like the minus and the plus. Let's test those out. Let's test out the minus first. Get all these ones out of the way. This. take the rest of the black and the set is really messy. There's like all these leftover bits everywhere. The green is molding with the black. Ugh. Okay, you just put the black in and then you push and you get a long sheet like this. Keep pushing and you get something like this. Just a long sheet of black plastic. There. Probably just make a bridge or something with those. The next, let's use some light blue and form. Let's make a log as well. Not that hard to use, not that interesting either. Okay, get the light blue and you push and you get something that looks like this. Yeah, that's basically it. You get all these logs and this sheet of paper, this black sheet of paper. I don't know what to do with that. So yeah, that's basically the set. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and a like. Subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Yeah.